Hello and welcome, I am Cyan, and in this video, I will show you how you can create your very own virtual AI influencers and how you can make money with virtual AI influencers. With the rise of virtual AI influencers like Itana Lopez, people can now make money by creating their own virtual AI influencers and a loyal following across all major social platforms using these virtual AI influencers. I will also reveal an awesome software called AIFluencers that lets you create these AI influencers with consistent characters, custom clothing, custom pose, AI influencer product photo shoot, AI influencer talking head videos, and AI influencer images and videos all using this single awesome software. The best part, you can create unlimited AI influencer images and videos in premium HD quality. Stay tuned until the end of this video as I unveil all features of AIFluencers.
Now, in a nutshell, AIFluencers is a brand new AI-based software that allows you to create AI influencers in any gender, any ethnicity, any skin tone, any niche that you want to. And the best part, you can create any kind of influencer that you want, that is in any niche. Now, it doesn't stop over there. You can actually use these influencers to go ahead and create contents for you. Like you can create images, pose, face swap, and you can also change their clothing as well. You can even go ahead and create video contents like AI video, talking head video, and any kind of video that you want to. You can even go ahead and do product shoot out as well, with which you can bag an influencer deal as well. Now, I hope that you are aware of how much an AI influencer earns. Now, in here, as you can see over here, Itana Lopez is one of the leading AI influencer, and she makes around this much money a month. You can see over here. Now, leave about Itana Lopez, she is one of the best, but what about the average AI influencers? Now, if we see over here, the average AI influencers are earning around 3 lakhs per month, which is in Indian rupees. However, that is quite a substantial amount to have. Now, this is about 3,500 US dollars. So you can understand the amount of potential that it has. Then on screen, you can see different gigs on Fiverr. If you look at this, people are charging huge money for creating such an influencer for you. The best part, competition on Fiverr is very less. If you search for other gigs like creating logos, video editor and all, you'll find lakhs and lakhs of gigs going around, but in here there are only 700 results, which means it's a super lucrative niche to be in. Now, talking about the quality of the influencers, you can see over here, this is one of the influencers that has been created by AI, and this is on the chef niche, right? And you can see here, it looks so real natural, right? Then you can come over here and you can see this comes from a luxury lifestyle model, right? And she looks beautiful, doesn't she? Right? So you can actually go ahead and create this kind of things. Now this guy over here is a kind of travel explorer, and also you can use this to make shout outs and earn a top-notch money as well. So the opportunities, as you can see, are endless, and I have got access to AI influencers as well. So I'm going to give you a full-blown demo of AI influencers. I'm going to show you how to create an AI influencer and also how to create contents with that. Hey, welcome to this AIFluencers demo, and as you can see, this is what the dashboard looks like, and these are the few of the influencers that have been created, right? Now, we can go ahead and actually create our own influencers by creating on Create AI Influencer, and then we just need to fill out this form, like the first name, last name, the nickname, then we can give an age, then we can select the gender, we can select the nationality, we can select the language that it would speak, then the niche, and then finally, the kind of conversational attitude that it would have, right? So let's go ahead and choose conversational and click on next. As soon as we do so, it will tend us to choose the ethnicity. So we are going to choose it quickly, like the eye color, skin tone, appearance, voice type, body type. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so now that's done. Let's go ahead on the next one. So now we are into choosing the hairstyle. So in here, we can customize the hair and the look and feel completely, right? Let's do that quickly. So now let's go ahead and choose the personality, right? We can add charismatic, intelligent, sensitive. We can also add our custom things as well. Then the hobbies, again, we can choose depending on the niche. Then click on next, and this will take us to the occupation. Now, this is important because this would define the niche, right? So we can add our custom things as well, like actress. We can add things like model, whatever you want to. You can go ahead and select that, right? Then click on next. And then you can choose the clothing as well. So you have got all of that. So let's go ahead and choose maybe skirt and top. We can choose, or yoga pants and sports bra. We can choose anything that we wish to, and then click on next. Now, depending on the niche you are, you should choose the outfit, right? Now there is the profile description that has been created, that is the prompt, and then we can select the number of variation, and then on the performance, select quality, enter your social media handles and click on generate influencers. As soon as you do so, we have generated 4 variation as selected, right? So let's wait. And as you can see, it's being generated. And there you go. 4 of them has been selected. Now you can click on any of them to set them as an influencer image, right? Then if you want to make a change later, you can just go over here, click on this 3 dot, click on edit. And as soon as you do so, you can actually choose any other one as well as a profile image. So you can set the influencer image anytime that you wish to. You can also make it public so that you can rent it to other people and make money from it. Then you can update the knowledge base. In the knowledge base, you can enter it from manually or you can enter from a URL. I'm just entering it from a ChatGPT, right? So let's instruct ChatGPT to provide a knowledge database in Indian fashion and modeling so that the influencer knows about the fashion sense that Indians have, right? So let's actually go ahead and do that quickly. And there you go. There's the results that I get from ChatGPT, right? So what I can do is now is that I can copy this everything over here. One click copy, come back to AIFluencers, paste it and hit on done, and boom, as you can see, the knowledge base has been added. Similarly, I can go ahead and add even more knowledge bases, right? So that's the same thing that I want to do. So I'm actually making this very fast. So as you can see, it has been added over here. Now, this AIFluencer can actually chat as well. So for that, we'll go over to all conversations. So in here, you can find all conversation, click on that, select the influencer, and then click on create conversation. Now you can see the conversation has started. So now you can actually make a conversation on that knowledge base. And as you can see, it's giving you the results, right? So this works perfectly. You can even embed this as an AI agent on any of your website or your client's website as well. And you can charge additional money. That's a master tip from me. So with that being said, as you can see, this works seamlessly. So now let's actually move on to the next feature. So the next feature is the content generator in which you can create images, right? So let's click on create image, select the influencer, and then you can select different things like action. On action, you can see it lying down, sitting, standing. Then on the body, you can choose what kind of body you want. Then on the clothing, you can choose the kind of clothing. Then on the accessories, you can add different accessories, which can be added as a product shootout as well. Then on the scene, you can add a background. You can actually add things like luxury hotel bed, just for an example, right? Then you can choose the view, that is which view you want. Then you can choose the number of variations. So we have gone for 4. Click on generate prompt and boom, the prompt has been generated. Then there are some negative prompts as well. Keep it as it is and click on generate image. And boom, the images you can see on screen right now. The next thing is post generation. So for that, we'll choose post generation. And in here, again, we are going to choose the influencer. And then you can see there are different poses that are being suggested. So you can choose any of those poses, or you can upload a pose image as well to get a corresponding pose as well for your influencer, right? So I've given a custom pose over here, and let's select 4 variation, and then let's go ahead and actually generate the pose. And as you can see, the images are being generated, and there you go, it has been generated, right? The next thing is face swap. Again, we can select the influencer over here, and then we can upload a face that we want to. So I have uploaded this face of Deepika Padukone, right? One of the famous Indian actresses. And then I'm going to again choose 4 variation, and then I'm going to do a face swap. So I'm going to do it with a modern Western outfit and standing in front of swimming pool, just for an example, right? Inside a luxury hotel. You can also give negative prompts like morphing, blurred, distorted hands, distorted fingers, so that you don't get any of these on your outputs, right? So let's go ahead and check out what kind of output we are getting. So there you go. One of them has been generated, and as you can see, the rest are being generated. So you can see there is a face swap that has happened, and it looks quite awesome, right? So let's go ahead and check out the next feature that it has. The next feature is a talking head video. Now for this, we are going to select again one of the images that we have already created. So let's go ahead and choose this one for an example, and then let's select a voice. So let's go for an Hindi voice, and then we are going to enter the script over here. Then we can additionally add a head movement as well, as you can see on this tick box over here, right? So we have done it. Then we can actually go ahead and select a voice from here. Now let's select this voice, and let's go ahead, and you can even clone your own voice as well. That's a possibility as well. Now once it's done, let's click on generate video, and as you can see, the video is being generated over here. So let's wait. And there you go, the video has been generated. So I'm going to add this over here right now.
Hello, I am Deepti Sharma. Welcome to my Instagram page. If you want to catch me live on my live shows, please follow me on Instagram.
Now, the next thing that we have is AI video generation, and this one can actually convert any image into a video. So let's select an image and then go ahead and select the screen size and give the prompt like a beautiful Indian actress flaunting on a hotel bed, just for an example, right? And click on generate video, and you can see over here, This looks amazing, right? So this is the kind of videos that you can produce from any kind of influencer. So that being said, now there is one more feature that I want to explore, which is product photography. Again, we need to select an influencer and then we need to drop the product photo over here. As we can see, we have uploaded a product over here, and then we can choose the action, the body, the clothing, and then we can choose the accessories that we want to, right? And then we can choose the scene, again, the backgrounds and everything. We can also add our custom things as well over here. And then we can have the views like front view, back view, side view, whatever I want. Create the number of images for, and then click on generate prompt. And once that is generated, we can go ahead and generate the image with it, right? And as you can see, it's being generated over here. Now, as you can see, it has been generated. Now click on these three dots and you can actually insert the product. But before that, I just want to show you the kind of images that it has produced. Look at these, right? All of these images looks awesome, and you can actually go ahead and then click on proceed to product edit. Click on that. And you can see the product has been added. Now you can actually make it smaller, larger, whatever you want to. You can position it wherever you want to. Click on download and boom, it would be done. So that is what AIFluencers can do to you in a nutshell, but it has more features. I'm not being able to cover everything in this short demo. There is a complete tutorial of AIFluencers as well. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this little demo of AIFluencers, and I'm sure you are quite excited to grab it right now. If so, then why not via my link? Because I'm giving you the best in-class bonuses that you can have for AIFluencers review. Now, if you wish to check out my bonuses once again for this AIFluencers review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page. And it should take you to my bonus page, which you have already gone a walkthrough of. In here, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would head over to AIFluencers sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can go through this at your own time. You can check out this VSL that they have. You can check out every little feature over here. You can check out the testimonials, the proofs, everything. And once you are happy with it, you can click on any of these buy now buttons to get access to AIFluencers along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost right inside your JVZoo dashboard. If you have any problems in getting my bonuses, you can always reach out to us on our email ID or on our WhatsApp number. Now, both of them you can see on screen, or you can find it on the description as well. Now, that being said, it's now time for the pricing that it has. The front end of AIFluencers is going to cost you only $37 if you are early bird. Now, this pricing is going to go up all the way up to $97. So the quicker you are, the better pricing you are going to get, right? With that being said, the front end has some limitations, like the number of influencers that you can do, the number of images that you can create, the number of videos that you can create. All of them has a limitation. In order to actually unlock the unlimited potential, you can actually check out this unlimited upgrade that they have, which is the OTO 1, and it should cost you only $97 a year, which is a good deal to have. But then I'm going to reveal an even better deal in a few seconds. The next upgrade that they have is the professional upgrade at $57. Now, this OTO 2 is the professional upgrade, which actually allows you to for multilingual contents, which means you can actually break the linguistic barrier and create contents in any language that you want to. The next upgrade that they have is the enterprise upgrade, and this is going to be a full agency upgrade that you get, which allows you to start an AI influencer agency. The next one that they have is the monetizer upgrade at $97 a year. Now, this includes done for you stuff with affiliate marketing review videos that are already done for you and ready to be monetized. Now, if you wish to know more about these upgrades and what exact features they have, you can scroll down on my bonus page, and in here you can find everything written over here, right? You can go through this at your time. With that being said, there is a fast pass that I want to tell you about, right? And this actually allows you to grab all of these upgrades at a one-time price. But remember, this is not a bundle, but it is a fast pass, which means once you buy the front end about $37, then you would be presented with this offer, right? And this allows you to grab all of these recurring prices. Like this one is a recurring upgrade. This one is again a recurring upgrade. All of this you can grab for a one-time price of $237. And remember, for this fast pass upgrade, there are going to be some awesome bonuses that you can get, right? So if your budget permits, then I would suggest you to go for the front end and then the fast pass. And if your budget doesn't permit, then at least go for the front end and then the OTO 1. So that's my recommendation on AIFluencers review. Now, these opinions are based on my personal expertise. You can do your due diligence and check out whatever you wish to, and then you can take action in whatever you like. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this AIFluencers review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, help me with a like. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions regarding any part of this AIFluencers review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye-bye.